Excited to announce our brand new interactive price history graphs on the Profitl Chrome extension, our web portal and our mobile app. So this is on both the iOS and our Android app. So our brand new interactive graphs, which I'll be showing you today, are an upgrade to our previous graphs, which weren't interactive, and you could only view them for 90 days, 180 days, and 365-day graphs. So let me show you exactly how they work and how they look. So here we are on this product from the website Smith's, this CyberStrike product. So we've got it up on the Profitl extension already. And all we have to do now is head down to here where it says price graph and click load price graph. And what this is going to do, this is going to bring out a pop-up with the new price graph. It will be preset to 90 days and you'll see a number of different graphs here. So first up, we've got the price history, then we've got the sales rank, then we've got the offer history, then we've got the product reviews graph, then we've got the product rating. So let me show you how each of these work. So we'll go up to a higher time frame. So on the graphs, you get 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, 365 days, and then all time. So let's head up to the yearly graph and we can have a look in a bit more detail. And the nice thing about these graphs now are, because they're totally interactive, you can turn on and off different lines. So for example, if you are an FBA seller, you might not be too interested in FBM, the used, the warehouse deals. You're only going to be interested in your buy box price, your Amazon price, and so on. So you can toggle all of these on and off. You can see if Amazon have been on the listing. You can scroll across just like this, see if there's ever been a suppressed buy box, and it just gives you a much better understanding of what's been happening with this price over the time frame, and it will help you make better decisions with your Amazon FBA. And then we have a sales rank line, and we decided to split this off into its own graph. So on most graphs you see it will be combined on the same as the price history graph, but we thought it would make sense to have it on its own table. It's much easier to read like this, and it's obviously such an important part of the data so you can understand the sales a bit better. So you'll find it all listed down here and you can see how it has changed over different price points throughout the year. And next up we have the offer history graph. So this will just show you the number of offers on the listing, and this is important because it can help you understand the popularity of the product, how many people have been selling it, but also whether it's at risk of an IP complaint. IP complaints are very bad for sellers on Amazon. You can use this to see if loads of sellers have been removed, which could indicate there has previously been an IP complaint. And then at the bottom here we've got the product reviews and ratings table. You can just see how the reviews have gone up in time. You can use this alongside the sales data to see how popular the product is. Obviously, if it's getting lots of reviews in a short amount of time, that means it's selling a lot. And then we've got the product rating, so you can just see the average rating over the set time frame. So we hope you enjoy this new feature. It works exactly the same whether you are on the Chrome extension, whether you're on our web portal, whether you're on our iOS app, or whether you're on our Android app. And as always, we have lots more in the pipeline, so we thank you for being a Profitl member.